Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Project Online for Enterprise Portfolio Management, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Project Online for Enterprise Portfolio Management, begin by logging into your Office 365 account. Navigate to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. From the left-hand menu, select Billing. Click on Purchase Services. In the search box, type Project Online. You will see different Project Online plans available. Choose the plan that best suits your organization's needs, such as Project Online Essentials, Professional, or Premium. Click on Buy Now next to your selected plan. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Once the purchase is confirmed, return to the Admin Center. Select Users from the left-hand menu. Click on Active Users. Find the user you want to assign Project Online to. Select the user, and then click on Licenses and Apps. Find the newly activated Project Online license. Toggle the switch to enable the license for this user. Click Save Changes to apply the license. Next, navigate to Project Online by entering the URL in your web browser. You will be directed to the Project Online dashboard. Log in using your Office 365 credentials. Once logged in, you will see various options for portfolio management. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Now, you can begin creating a new project portfolio. Select projects from the left navigation menu. Click on the plus New Project button to start a new project. Fill in the necessary project details, including name, description, and start date. Assign team members and set tasks accordingly. Utilize the built-in reporting tools for better insights. Explore the various features like roadmaps and resource management. Ensure to customize settings according to your organization's workflow. Finally, review and save your project to finalize setup. Your enterprise portfolio management is now fully activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.